Plastic storage bags are made of a polymer called low-density polyethylene. When the pencil pierces the plastic, the sharp end of the pencil squeezes through the chains of the polymer without breaking them. These chains are very flexible and actually move over to form a seal around the edge of the pencil so that no water is spilled from the baggie.